Hi there. Today I'm going to learn about how to reorder sections in Wix. Reordering sections is very easy. For example, I have my website right here, and then you can just click on this arrow button right here to move the section up and down. And then for example, I want to move it down, so I'll just do it like that. I'll just click on it, and if I want to move it up, I'll just click on it again. But since we are in the zoom in view, it's really hard to see where we are moving our section. We can just click on the zoom out button right here to have a better view. And then once we move our section again, we move it down, we can now clearly see where we are moving our sections. So this is very easy in order to rearrange the order of your sections. If you want to add another section, you can just, for example, you have this section, we want to add a section right here, and then let's just zoom out again. And then, for example, we'll change this color of this section so that we can see it more clearly. For example, we want to make it like this one. And then we'll zoom it out. And then we want to move this section to the top. And then we'll just click to move section up. And then now we have moved our section. We can't move this section any further because this is the header of the website. And then you cannot move this section right here, only the section bodies. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to move your sections across your website. And this is a very useful tool to rearrange the order of your sections in your website. And thank you for watching this video.